this simple, easy and delicious dinner. For this recipe we are going to add water in a pan. Let's put it to boil. When it is boiling, add 300 grams of penne pasta. Add a spoon of salt. And mix very well. Now cover and let it cook for about 8 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. Now I'm going to be removing it to separate it from the water. I will add 3 eggs in a bowl. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. And we will mix very well with a fork. Guys, you're already commenting for me. What city are you watching us from? That I will send a super special hug to each one of you who has commented. Add the macaroni. I will grate 150 grams of mozzarella cheese. And add over the noodles. Now it's just a matter of mixing very well. Today I'm going to send a special big hug to Abigail from Miami. You are always following us. I thank you immensely. In a frying pan I will add a spoon of butter. Now add the noodles and spread very well. Cover and let cook for 10 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. I'll be uncapping. And with the help of a plate, I will turn it like this. Add some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. And also Italian salami. But it is completely optional. I'll cover and let it cook until the cheese melts. And our recipe is ready. You saw that it is super easy to make and this pasta is delicious. I'm sure everyone will love it. So if you liked it, share it and until next time. Goodbye.